Hey, it's me, Larry. Let's recap what we've learned, or should have learned, in Chapter 6. Our attention was centered on several areas. One area was to define the difference between partial and total burns. Later, we learned where to find the VIN, identification numbers. We reviewed biohazard techniques, and we reviewed the passive restraint systems, like airbags. To begin with, we started out analyzing some minor causes of partial burn, particularly electrical. We studied how electrical systems can malfunction, and occasionally dash fires will erupt as a result. We learned how to apply a unique process to complete an evaluation and appraisal when you have limited data to work with. During our review of Chapter 6, we also studied vehicle identification numbers and their locations, addressing the second, third, and eighth digit locations. For example, the first digit indicates where the vehicle was built. The second and third characters identify the manufacturer, so forth and so on. Knowing VIN number locations is vital to your inspection. If you do not get the VIN, this will result in a poor inspection. If at all possible, a number should identify the vehicle you are inspecting. Overall, this chapter should have given you a clear vision and approach you can take when faced with total burns, thefts, and biovehicles. Move on to Chapter 7. I'll meet you there.